Misunderstood ain't gotta be explained, but you don't understand me, so let me explain. Stood in the heat, the flame, the snow. Please slow down, hurricane. The wind blow, my dread swing. He had hair like wool, like Wayne. Dropping ashes in the Bible. I shake them out and they fall on the rifle. Scary. Hail Mary, no tail berry. All real very extraordinary. Parrot, face it. The barrel of the town. My God is my judge.
So my brother, Commander Garcia, he hooked it up with a point stay over here at the Waterline Villas. Let me tell you, I'm incredibly grateful. Last night we had like a little mini hurricane gust of 60 miles an hour, so almost hurricane force. I'm gonna go check on the boat, make sure she's okay, but that's the first hot shower I've taken since summer. Oh.